How to get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To get more clicks on your Facebook Marketplace listing, you have to use high quality photos. Clear, bright and well composed images grab attention. So you have to ensure your photos are in focus. So multiple angles and highlight important features. After that, you have to write the compelling titles. Use descriptive, concise titles that include relevant keywords. Step 3. Provide detailed descriptions. Include all relevant information like size, condition, age, and special features. And you have to research similar items and state your price according to or competitively. And after that, you have to post your items when more people are likely browsing, typically during evenings or weekends. You can also show your listing in multiple Facebook buy or sell groups to increase visibility. After that, you need to renew your listings. Facebook allows you to renew listings, pushing them to the top of search results. This keeps your item visible to new users. You can optimize the description with keywords. Buyers might search for like vintage, brand new, or a specific brand's name. Fast responses show potential buyers you are serious and attentive, which can lead to quick sales, so you have to respond quickly to inquiries. And consider paid boost. Facebook offers the option to pay to boost your listing for more visibility. This can help if your item isn't getting much attention organically. Applying all these steps will help you to get more clicks on Facebook Marketplace listing. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.